Hello, I'm a Mac.
And I'm a PC.
Isn't this fun, PC? I sure am glad we decided to take a break from our little disagreements and just do something fun together, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe I don't say this enough, but I'm really glad we're friends.
Right. No, right, of course. Right back at you there.
All right, old buddy, let's see those lights.
You know what? No, let's not. We don't want to take away from this beautiful
Come
tree.
on, you put in all that work. Turn them on. Let's see it.
Okay. I'm sorry about that. Just sort of happened.